in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Nespresso promo codes in 2024. So with that in mind, let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and right here you have to search for Nespresso promo codes. So as you can see, we have this website right here, which is couponfollow.com, and I recommend you to use this one. And you have a lot of discount codes that we can use. And for example, I can select this offer with 10% of any purchase I want to make. So I can just select show coupon code right here, and this is the discount code. And on my next purchase, if I'm going to use this promo code, I will get 10% off. Also, you can just go back to your main search on Google and you can select the simplycodes.com website, which I also recommend. And as you can see right here, we have some promo codes. This one is with a free gift. And as you can see, is the most successful one. So what you have to do is just select use code right here. And this is the promo code for a free gift. And you can copy this code and use this in order to get your free gift. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.